Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm came across with another interview questions which was asked during one of the interview persistent. So the question is this: suppose I have two table. One table is employee data, second table is department. So so I have to write a SQL query and PySpark API query to get the output like this. HR department in HR. How many names are employee are available in HR? Like Nikita and David. In IT, how many employees are there? Ashish, Ram, and Mark. In finance, how many employees are there? There is a John and Arvind. Arvind. So write a SQL query to retrieve a list of department name along with a comma separated list of employees name in each department. So first I will write in SQL, then I will write in PySpark. So here I have a table. First I will select the table from EMP data, ED, join with department D on based on ED dot department ID and D dot department ID. And I will write here D dot department name, comma, and I will use one function string ag. I will give the name ed dot employee name, comma, single quote. I will give the comma, and in last, what I have done here, last I will give the group by one, order by one. Now I'm going to run this query and we'll see what will be the output. I will give name as a name. Okay, so I'm going to run this. Now you can see that now you can see that finance department name finance has a two employee name John and Arvind. HR department has a two employee Nikita and David, and IT department has a two employee Ashish, Ram, and Malik. So I will give you the comparison also. I think you will get the better clarity. Select star a dot star one select star. I will give I will use this one only from here. I will do e dot star comma d dot emp name. Okay, I will run both in sync this way. So now you can see that first table contain Nikita is HR and David is HR. Finance John and Arvind in finance. So you can see that finance John and Arvind, and HR Nikita and David. IT Ram, Ashish, and Mark. So through the SQL you can achieve this using string ACK function or contact, or there is one more function I will use, which is going to use in PySpark. I will let you know. So I'm moving to the PySpark. So suppose this I have this PySpark. I have prepared the data, and I'm going to run this data. Run this query. So I will get the employee df and department df. Then what I have done, I have to do, I will join both table as a joint df. Then what I have to do, emp data emp df dot join. I will join with department df comma emp df dot department id equal to double equal to and department df dot I will use here department df dot department id. Let me, I think it is not visible. I will make as a more here. Now it is visible for you. I will give here comma dot inner and then I will select dep name comma I will give in alias a single quote. I will give the name emp name dot emp name. Then I will display join df. I'm going to display this. Now you can see that HR is Nikita, IT Assis and Ram Mark, Finance John and Arvind. Now I'm going to get create the output whatever required. So I will give the name as a final df. I will use here. So join df dot group by. So what will I do? Group by. I will use here name tp name dot aggregation. In here I will give f dot con cat ws in bracket will give comma, then I will give collect list, then I will give collect list. In collect list what will I do? I will call this I will call the name. Name means emp name. Then what I have to do? I will give the alias and here I will give the name. Now it is closed. Let me run it again. Dry run without printing. Is there any issue? It is showing collect list is not defined. Collect list is not defined. No, it should be given. Okay, I have to use f dot collect list. Then it will going to work. Function. I have function I have defined earlier. Now I'm going to display this record. Display ef df. Now I'm going to display this record. So now you can see that the output like HR as Nikita David, Finance as John Arvind, IT Assis Ram Mark, and I can give one more thing like here dot order by DP name. Then you can see that the in order by department name ascending order. Finance John Arvind, HR Nikita and David, and IT Assis Ram and Mark. Thank you for watching. I hope it is good for you.